So the one thing about my Model 3 is that a Tesla is completely unique. What sets your bike apart from probably tens or dozens of other electric bikes that are right out there who are obviously direct competitors in some way?
The uniqueness of ours is, firstly, what we do is we assemble the bike 100% ourselves. And we feel that's important for numerous reasons. Not only can we get to choose and identify and specify exactly which of the components, which of the hardware, which of the parts actually go on the bike, but also the way they get put on the bike. That process is actually quite involved. You can over-torque,
Right.
over-tighten a bolt, and you can under-tighten it. You forget to put on grease. And there's a lot of ways of actually assembling a bike. We feel that's really important. We specify that every part of the bike, every hardware on the bike is a stainless rust-resistant hardware. Now we have control over that. The inside of a bike, sort of like the interior part of the bearings.
Right.
You know, you get all quality of bearings that the customer will never see. You will never see this. You'll only know this way down the road. If you're importing bikes, or you're getting somebody else to build it, they can cut corners that way. We never want that to happen. We want to be able to specify every one of those things. So we have integrated bearings in our steering, integrated bearings in our bottom bracket, and that's very important for longevity and for safety and reliability in the future. So that, I think, sets us apart from 99% of any other bike seller that sells electric bikes. They can get their bikes built around the world, which is fine, but we control that process. In that process, it allows us to have the experts that are in our shop. Those guys are actually doing it day in and day out, and they are experts in doing what they do. They've got the tools available, they've got the parts available, and they've got the skills.
The skills.
The skills to be able to put the